Let's see if we can keep up with this design. This over here, okay, is your 1 area all the way down into the 6 area. In low shu, it becomes 4 all the way into 7. So 4 into 7 is 11. 7 come 11. 74 is Jesus, time of the cycle of Saturn. Those are what the numbers say. Saturn being 93. 3 and 9 saying the sky. The same time over here in these areas, okay, circling around 5, okay, between 1, 5, and 9 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 3 and 7. Nibiru, 4 and 6, Zion, Israel, 4 and 6, 3, 4, 7, 6, the diameter of the moon. In this corner over here, okay, it's represented by 7 and 8 is 15, 1 and 5 is 6. So we now have 5 in this corner, and we have 6 in this corner. Up over here, we now have 4. We have 4, 5, and 6, the federation for this angle. Over here, we have, if we do the same design on the opposite angle, over here, we're going to get the 4. Over here, we get 3 and 2, the BC world. The BC world over here, we angle here, and we go straight. This angle over here will create 7, okay? This one over here, okay, is creating 4, and this one over here, okay, is going to create 6. It created 7 on the inside, 6 on the outside. What we're talking about right now, okay, what we're talking about is encompassing this number right around here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 being the in-between. Let's mark it as a half. So down in this corner, okay, 3, 4, 7, and 6, marking it this way. We're going to flip the book over and show you it right over here. We'll get 7 over here. Earth and Mars come together. And then in this corner over here, okay, on this side over here, we get the Pluto and Saturn coming together. And then up over here, we get Earth. So we get 5, 6, 7 for 18, 4, 5, 6 for 15. When we put those together, we get A, and we get E, and we get A, and we get H. Or if you want to look at it, it says O and R for these letters over here. This says row, eggs, and gold that come together. The star system over here. Do you see the Pontiac image? The two sides? Now, in the same time, this corner will be 5. The same time, this corner will be 5. The same time, 7 and 8 will be 6. So we have 5, 5, 6, 6. We have 5 and 6, 11, and 5 and 6, 11. We have 41, 41 creation. Step number 1. The reason I did this, okay, is to understand where we're going to go next with this. Gematria scale, right? Gematria scale. Let's put this in between. Now we're going to go to another level of this. And in this, we're just going to understand something a little bit different from all these numbers. What is 1 and 5 that comes together? 4 Mercury, 4 Mars, 1 Mercury, and low shu come in this corner. They total 5. What is the value of 5? Well, Roman numerals is best to say M1000, 1 plus all the zeros equal 1. D500 equals 5. V5. C100 equals 1. L5. X10 equals 1. 151, 155. 47 times 33, 15, 51. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, 1 minus 5 equals to 4, 5, and 6. Roman numerals 151. Area space Mars. I'm going to be doing the clock on 60 seconds. It's a short video, so I'm going to go over it more than once. To go around 4, okay, to go around 4, 1, 2, 3. Remember, leaving a space, we get a circle. Leaving a space, we get a circle. Leaving a space, we get a circle, because in order to have a hole in the center, we need a ring that goes around it. We have to hold on to these rings and spaces. So every time there's a planet that's on the line, in between the planets is space. So we have to, those are the space. That line is the solid. Although there's nothing that goes around on this line, when your planet is over here moving around the line, you need the outside okay, and the inside of the movement of that planet. Do you follow what I'm saying? Here's that planet. You need the whole space that it's going to take up as it moves around, no matter what, because it's going to be there. Unless other elements are moving into our space, but they're not. So when we get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, at 12, okay, I reach 100. 4 and 96. 24 times 4 is my 96. But it's not 24, it's 13. 13 rings, okay, times 4 is 52. My center is 52. My center is 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I take 4, 5, and 6, 44 area space of time and earth. 4, 5, and 6, 8, 7, 6, 21. For the single ring, okay, I will use 9, 17, 25 is the third. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. This is the sixth. 49 is now the sixth area. 49, 7 times 7. So you have 41, 49, 57. 7 times 7, 5 times 6, 3 by 19. Inside the moon and the passage for Pluto, Mars, and the sun. Pluto, Mars, and the sun for this one over here. See the way we're all odd numbers, but it's really not. We get the 57, it's 56 plus the 1. When we get to 52, it's actually 48, the sun, plus 4. We get to 60, it's actually 56. We get to 68, it's actually 64. We get to 76, it's actually 72. We get to 84, it's 80. 420, we get to 92, it's 88. The sky system, they meet Venus and the birth. We get to 100, we have 96, we now have rotation. This will be the time clock. L is the 12th letter. L and L creates 24. L in Roman numerals is 50. L and L is 100. L and L together creates the Y. In Spanish, it is a total of 49. 1 and 49 plus and minus 1049. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 equals 10, and 7 times 7 is 49. So in order to reach time, we have to understand that C, which is the third letter, L, which is the 12th letter, this is 1/4 of this. 1/4 of this. This is 1/4 of this in real value letters. But yet it seems to be twice as much. So if this is 1/4 and it's twice as much, we have to find the numeric value that relates with this. We also have to understand that in time, 30 minutes, okay, is half an hour. So we're going to work on this in another video. I don't have it all set up over here. We're 3, right? We're always looking at different things where 3, okay, and 5 is equal to 60 and 100, and that is your time. 3 and 5, the third and fifth planet, which this one is reversed by Venus. It is 2 or 3 with 5 Jupiter. 2, 3, 5 are those numbers that come together. 2 and 3 Mercury, Venus and Earth come together. Minus, it becomes 1. 1 and 5 again. We're back to Mars. Mars is 1551. Mars is 1551, and it brings us the relationship to DC time over here. 3 parts of time, 8, 8, and 8. You make it 6 parts of time, it becomes 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4. D time of 8, 8, 8 is 1/3. 6 times 4 is 24, it's 1/4. 1/3 and 1/4, DC time. That's your DC time. M times MC squared, C squared, the third letter. 1 and 3 equals 4M. 2 equals C equals 3. 4 and 3 again. C equals 9, it becomes 4 and 9. Comes together 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2. Beta creation of the DC skies, MC squared. I like to know a little bit more about this. This now becomes 1600. M is 1000, right? M is 1000, C is 100. So it's actually 1100. So MC actually equals 2 squared equals to 4. But that's just basic. The reverse of 8 is 6. The reverse of 4 is 10. It's a CB code 104. There's another numeric value in here. I don't know what it is, but we do have to remember there's the left side and the right side. We have 4 corners, so it's 4 of 6 sides that count, not all 6. The other thing is the Mayan count is 26 25,920. The center of the alphabet is the 13th letter. 20% is the calculation. Okay, when you come to Celsius Fahrenheit as a reduction, 20% reduction. Okay, 20% of 13 is 26,000. We take away 80 or 420s equals 25,920. EIO rotation of birth. 2-5 Earth, 5-9 Neptune creation birth inside Pluto. 2 and 5 is that Earth, and the birth is in between. 9 and 5 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 9 and 2 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 5 and 2. 7, 14, 11. 7, 14, 11. 7 come 11. Raphael, thank you for watching.